we have CMA Final Examination, we have CMA Inter Examination. So, sir, what is your take on SPM BVM as a subject? Which chapters do you think are important? Which chapters the students should focus on? What will be your guidance towards this subject?
So the first and foremost thing is SPMBV is very, very scoring subject. This is
Yes.
one out of this four subject in group two, one subject which is
Yes.
a blessing for all the students. So
Correct.
here I have never seen until now any student failing in SPMBV.
Correct.
So if anything is there in mind that you may fail in this subject, it is a wrong notion. Even in
Correct.
worst scenario, students have got the exemption in this subject. So at
Correct.
first, it is a very, very easy subject as compared to all other subjects of your CMA. The
Correct.
thing is, you have to first understand that it is a strategical paper also. Means you don't you don't have to study everything that is written in the institute material. If one goes
Correct.
strategically, it is very easy to score 80 plus. Actually, the
Correct.
title, I think the title of your video is 85 plus. So I'm
Yes.
very sure that if a student has the right strategy, it will be 85 plus. But the
Correct.
thing is, students sometimes get lost in this ocean कि ultimately हम लोगों को सारा चीज पढ़ना है तो हम कैसे cope up करेंगे. So
Correct.
this is one particular thing we should take up today, that exactly strategically, like what are the things that we should focus. If
Correct.
we are able to identify that, you will be
Correct.
able to get through. For this, I will
Absolutely.
recommend, like, if say students can sit with past year's paper for once,
Yes.
last 5 terms paper, if you just match, even sir, chapter wise position is also fixed in
Correct.
most of our CMA papers. Like this
Correct.
chapter's question will be coming in this particular question number also. So
Correct.
that kind of accuracy is there in the paper. So it's very predictable. You don't have to worry about it. You
Correct.
can easily crack it. But you have to be very, very specific in your preparation. If you follow that, I'm very sure the students who have scored 80 plus, they have done that pickup. They have basically
Correct.
selected that topics in your preparation. So today, sir,
Correct.
you please start with BV first, because
Sure, sir.
I think BV is very much practical, and students
Hmm.
are always very curious about to know about practical stuffs before.